the first Convocation Lecturer for EkoUNIMED of Medicine and Health Sciences in the person of Babatunde Raji Fashola. Thank you, sir.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is the very first convocation lecture and convocation program of this university. As governor of this state, I had the privilege to give my assent to the establishment of the Eko University of Medicine and Health Sciences. But on the day when I gave my approval, it was part of my routine job for the day. Little did I know that I was approving destiny. So what came up as an idea by the founder has become an institution.
I have the honor, therefore, to invite the Chancellor of the University, Dr. Oluyomi Abayomi Fini, to constitute the congregation for the purpose of awarding degrees to deserving graduates of Eko University of Medicine and Health Sciences.
The coming to fruition of the vision of the founder of this university. It was a very audacious vision for him to have dreamt of starting the university. First, we want to encourage them to stay in the country and help our people. The other advice I give to the young graduates to be focused and to have long-term goals, to have a vision of where they want to be in 10 years' time, in 15 years' time, and in 20 years' time.
It's not just about acquiring certificates. It's about using it, making a significant impact in what you hold. I want to encourage them to be an ambassador of this great university and the ambassador of God too.
Institutions like EkoUNIMED are important because they are complementing the existing government-owned medical training institutions, which are not training enough. So Dr. Hamid Ayodele Ibrahim is a dreamer, and he has become the dream, and the dream has become a reality. And that is why we are celebrating today the 27 doctors that we have been able to train.
We have 17 prizes, and some of these students, some of these doctors now have distinguished themselves. The overall best graduating student, Adenuga Adejumoke Eunice. The best graduating student in the Department of Medical Biochemistry, Adenuga Adejumoke Eunice. She is also winning the Professor Shofola Prize for the best student in physiology. As the best student in Faculty of Clinical Sciences, Adenuga Adejumoke Eunice.
I just graduated as the best graduating student for the first set in Eko University of Medicine. It's exciting, to be honest. It's very exciting to have graduated. All the hard work, all the efforts, the late nights, it's finally paid off.
Today, as I was sitting down there, I remember the day she came for the interview to enter the school. From the very first beginning, her appearance, they started questioning her, giving her questions that were above her, as if she was even already a doctor. And even me, I was like, and she was answering.
But someone I can't forget is one Dr. Adewumi. I think that's the director, health services in the Health Service Commission. He was the first person to tell us about EkoUNIMED. So we came here to inspect here. But funny enough, the buildings were not like really there. But there was something we saw. I, for one, we saw tree. I thank God that we're here today. And I thank God for her. I'm happy for her. And I'm happy that the right decisions we are taking at the right time. And of course, God is taking the glory.
The best student in the Department of Medical Microbiology and Parasitology is the best graduating student in the Faculty of Clinical Sciences, the best graduating student in the Department of Medicine, Dr. Sagir Abdusalam Ahmed.
The convocation event was held today. It's a very big event and something to be remembered forever in my life. It's one of my precious days in my life I'll never forget. People might see that I'm just achieving, but deep down, there's a lot of failures that I've come across with. Even with all these failures, I still stood up my ground to try and face my obstacles, the challenges.
I thank God today that I am witnessing this, that I am a living person, and I have to thank the lecturers, the professors, and the entire Jaliki community. Always remember, be kind to your patients. Be kind to your patients. Thank you very much for coming. We should do that.